Today I'm breaking down the 5 best road trip cargo boxes you can actually buy right now. The ones that won't leak, rattle, or make your car sound like a jet engine on the highway. I went through Amazon bestsellers, real owner reviews, and what actually holds up after 1,000 miles. So if you're planning a road trip and need real extra space, this is for you. I found all 5 of these on Amazon, and I'll leave the links down in the description so you can check current prices. Let's get into it. Alright, starting at number 5, the Jegs for 18 cubic feet cargo box. This one is kind of the underdog. Made in the United States of America, high-density polyethylene hard-shell plastic, so it is built like a tank. And the price is wild. Around $299 for 18 cubic feet, when Thule and Yakima are charging $600 to over $1,000. That is why 900 people bought it last month alone. Fact check. This is 18 cubic feet, 110-pound weight capacity, 57 by 39 inches inside, so you can fit big suitcases sideways. 4-corner locking system with a front latch and a full weather-tight seal. Owners say it stayed completely dry through 6-hour rainstorms on Interstate 95. So the waterproof claim is real. But let us be honest, you feel the price difference. The mounting system is older style. Takes about 45 minutes the first time. And wind noise? Yeah, you will hear it. At 65, 70 miles an hour, there is a low hum. Not terrible, but compared to Thule, you notice it. And it is pretty tall, 19.5 inches high, so watch your garage clearance. If you are on a budget, need massive lockable space for 1 or 2 big road trips a year, this is honestly hard to beat. It just works. Pros: massive 18 cubic feet for price. Made in USA. Extremely durable shell. Truly weatherproof seal. Stays dry. Cons: louder on highway than premium boxes. Mounting takes longer to install. Alright, let's move on to the next one. Number 4. Sport Rack Vista XL Cargo Box. This is Amazon's choice overall pick for a reason. Over 2,100 reviews, 4.5 stars, 800 plus bought in the past month. People love this for family road trips. This one is 18 cubic feet, 510 litres, rear opening only. At first I thought, rear opening only? That sounds annoying. But actually, think about it. If you have a sport utility vehicle and your hatch opens up, rear opening means you can open it from the back without climbing on your tyres. For a lot of people, that is actually easier. I found this is one of the lightest hard boxes, around 40 pounds, and it fits virtually any factory rack. Square bars, round bars, factory raised rails. It just clamps on. Owners report installing it solo in 20 minutes. That is huge if you do not want to call a friend every time. Downside: the plastic is thinner than Thule or Yakima. It flexes a bit if you press on it. And because it is rear opening only, if you are parked tight on the side of the road with cars behind you, you cannot really access it easily. You have to get behind the car. But for $462, for most families doing that first big road trip with kids and strollers, this is the best value. Pros: fits almost any factory roof rack. Lightweight and easy solo install. Great value for 18 cubic feet. Cons: thinner plastic has some flex. Rear opening only limits access. Now let's see how this compares. Number 3. Thule Force XT XL 18 cubic cargo box. This is 18 cubic feet, 165-pound load capacity, and it has Thule's aero skin texture. That texture is not just for looks. It actually resists scratches and ultraviolet damage. So after 2 years in the sun, it does not fade to grey like cheap boxes. The killer feature here is lock knob. You can open and close it with gloves on, in the rain, one hand. And dual side opening. After using rear-only boxes, dual side is a game changer. You can grab your kid's bag from either side of the car at a gas station. So convenient. And noise. This thing is shockingly quiet. Thule designed it with that forward position, so your trunk still fully opens and wind just slides over it. At 75 miles an hour, you barely hear it. Why is it number 3 and not number 1? 2 reasons. The interior finish is more basic than the Motion XT, no felt liner, and the capacity is 18, not 22. For $799, some people wish it was a bit bigger. But build quality is pure Thule. Lifetime warranty. If you want Thule quality without going over $1,000, this is the sweet spot most people should buy. Pros: Dual side opening, very convenient. Very quiet aerodynamic design. Easy one-hand lock knob operation. Aero skin hides scratches and UV. Cons: smaller than Motion XT flagship. Still expensive for mid-range. Okay, number 2. And this one really surprised me. Yakima SkyBox 16 Carbonite Cargo Box. I expected it to be just a Thule clone, but it has got its own personality. That carbonite textured lid, it is not glossy. And that is genius, because glossy black Thule boxes, after one season, show every single swirl and scratch. This carbonite texture hides scratches like crazy. After a year of road trips, it still looks brand new. That matters if you care about resale or just want your car to look good. Fact checked. Specs: 16 cubic feet, 81 inches long by 36 wide by 15 high. 12 to 15 minute tool-free install. With universal hardware that fits all Yakima streamline crossbars and most factory racks. SKS locks included, so one key can work for your bike rack, your cargo box, everything Yakima. It is 16 cubic feet, so yes, smaller than the 18S we talked about. But hear me out. For most sedans and smaller sport utility vehicles, 16 is actually perfect. You fit 2 big duffels, a stroller, camping chairs, and you do not kill your gas mileage. The 22 cubic foot boxes, you do lose 2 to 3 miles per gallon. This one, owners report 1 mile per gallon loss. That is real money on a 2,000-mile trip. Pros: carbonite texture hides scratches perfectly. Excellent aero and low wind noise. SKS locks with great security system. Fast tool-free installation. Cons: 16 cubic feet smaller than rivals. Lid needs firm push to close. Alright, number 1. The Thule Motion XT 22 cubic feet cargo box. If you do serious road trips, like week-long camping, ski trips, family of 4 with all the gear, this is the box everyone ends up buying eventually, even if they start with a cheap one. Let us talk facts, because this is verified. 22 cubic feet. External, 91.5 by 37.5 by 18 inches. Internal, 84.5 by 33 by 16 inches. 165-pound load capacity, weighs 55 pounds. You can fit 5 to 7 pairs of skis, or 3 to 5 snowboards, or 4 large suitcases plus duffels. I found people literally moving apartments with this thing. For a road trip, you will never say, "I wish I had more space." SlideLock system automatically locks the lid and shows you it is secure. Dual side opening with grip-friendly handles and lid lifters that hold the lid open. So even fully loaded, you open it with one hand while holding your kid with the other. And it is positioned forward, so your trunk opens fully with no contact. So many cheap boxes block your trunk. This one does not. That is huge. And it is the quietest. Even though it is the biggest box here, it is the most aerodynamic. You almost forget it is there at highway speed. Yes, it is expensive, $1,049 on Amazon. That is the only con. And it is big. You need 2 people to lift it onto the roof the first time. But you buy this once, Thule lifetime warranty, and it lasts 10 years. For the best road trip cargo boxes list, this has to be number 1. Pros: massive 22 cubic feet largest space. Power click, clicks when secure. Dual side opening, very smooth. Quietest, despite biggest size. Cons: most expensive box on list. Heavy, needs 2 people to lift. If you are on a tight budget and just need big, waterproof lockable space once or twice a year, get the Jegs. If you want the best overall value for a family, easy install, fits any car, Sport Rack Vista XL is your pick. If you want premium Thule quality without going over $1,000, Thule Force XT XL is the sweet spot. If you want something that still looks new after 3 years of abuse, Yakima SkyBox Carbonite. That texture is unbeatable. And if you want the absolute best road trip cargo box, no compromises, biggest space, quietest, easiest to use, Thule Motion XT XL is the winner. Hopefully this helped you decide which cargo box makes sense for your car and your trip. Links to all 5 are in the description if you want to check current pricing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.